malni.com and you're at 55 East. Come, I'll take you guys around to the place to basically show you what the concept's all about. Come this way. 55 East is basically India's first interactive concept kitchen restaurant. As you can see, the focus is on Lebanese meze, which are done live with two-door fridges. The idea is fairly simple. Pick up whatever you want, take whatever you like. Ask the chef if you have any doubts and they'll do the needful for the food part of it for you guys. So Malni, what do you like? What sushi would you like us to serve?
I like the tuna.
Like the tuna? Chef, can you get us the tuna sushi please? Okabe, who's the Japanese sushi chef, he's been in the house for about 4 or 5 months and he's only making sushi. That's all he does. Behind the counter or anything at all. Everything done fresh, on the spot, like the sushi that's being rolled for you right now. Chef Dev?
I charge money for that.
I'll speak to your agent.
Alright, Dev's the head chef of the restaurant. He does like the entire planning for it. The salads, the sushi, everything comes under his portfolio. Alright, so what we have here is a central hot kitchen. As you can see, pretty obvious the Thai section managed by a Thai chef completely. So a huge amount of Thai soup being done there, live completely to the counters. Huge amount of food again displayed towards it. What you see on the other side is our general manager, Mr. Ilan Boyd.
Why is it called 55 East? It's just a cool name.
It is a cool name.
There's no other way. I think it's a pretty cool evening, no? Great music, great food,
Great Bellini.
handsome men. Very nice.
So that's the Thai section where chefs are basically doing some soups on the spot. Vegetarian, non-vegetarian, pick what you want. My secret selection, always pick the non-vegetarian or the vegetarian one, but make sure you have condiments along with it. Don't have the soup if you're not adding the condiments. Come, I'll take you by the way. The Indian section, of course, focuses on South Indian and North Indian both. Unlike other restaurants that just stick to kebabs and curries. Just to add the Indian touch, we've added the Indian thalis down there with the Indian vatis. Just to kind of add the Indian touch and make it comfortable for the guests. Again, very live, interactive, so that it's easy to move around, as you see. That part of the restaurant is kind of inspired by the natural flow of sunlight on the way the sunlight sort of falls in the forest. These are basically laser cut panel walls with LCD screens and projectors built inside it. There are about 36 to 35 projectors built inside the restaurant, never been done in the country at all. These, of course, are the Indian tapestry walls, which are basically saris procured from all across the country and just layered inside the layer of them. Again, a huge amount of space. So if you want for a big group that's coming in, you want something cordoned off for you, completely private, the whole area. In fact, a semi-private dining room there in the corner also. Quiet, but still interactive, still makes you walk around the place, pick up your food and still come back whatever you need. Keeping the sensitive nature of most of our guests in mind, we've kept the vegetarian section completely different. So all your vegetable grills, all your Thai vegetarian varieties are all done only on this side. A separate set of team that manages only the veg section kind of keeps it all good. Let me take you to the best part of the restaurant, the dessert section now. Alright, that's the dessert section. Again, unlike any other dessert section, everything's done live. That chef Vivek, he manages the entire desserts and pastries. Done an extremely good job on the display that you see right here. Secrets to the dessert section, an inbuilt oven right inside the kitchen there. All your morning bakeries when you come here for breakfast or any of your fresh starch is actually baked fresh. A chocolate dessert counter, chocolate sauces, the variety of whatever fillings you want. And Indian sweets for the Indian palate also, in case if you like. Some of the other live desserts there on the side, crepes, waffles, and something that we thought would work brilliantly for the kids is actually something that works brilliantly for the adults, is the homemade softie ice cream. You pick up the compose, you pick up your softie every time, almond rocks on top. Come, let's try it out. Chef, can you get Malni softie with the mango compose? Chef just basically picks whatever you want in terms of your mango compose, takes a big fresh cream out of the softie right out, picks up the almond, you need more fruits, you need more chocolate sauce topped on top, tell the chef and he'll just get it ready for you. Just in case you get tempted, a huge amount of liqueurs on top. You need something like that poured in, chef's happy to do that too.
And when does this place open to everyone?
This actually place opens on the 10th of June. It's a 3-meal restaurant for breakfast, lunch and dinner. And we'll hopefully do a Sunday brunch here too.
See you there.
Thank you.